Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. The reign of truth fills everywhere, with the ocean of all languages, in all sounds according to type, in all Buddha lands, he expounds the pure teaching. In all lands are seen the miracles of the Buddha. Hearing the Buddha preach the truth, they head for enlightenment. In each atom of all lands in the cosmos, Buddha, by the power of liberation, manifests physically therein. The reality body is like space, unobstructed, without differentiation. Physical forms appear like reflections, manifesting myriad appearances. Reflections have no location. Like space, they've no substantial nature. Those whose wisdom is great will comprehend their equality. The Buddha body is ungraspable, unborn, uncreated. It appears in accord with beings, equanimous as empty space. All Buddhas in the 10 directions enter into a single pore, each showing mystic powers that the eye of wisdom can see. The power of Vairochana Buddha's vows pervades the entire cosmos in all lands, always expounding the unexcelled teaching. The miracles shown in a single hair, even if told of by all the Buddhas for innumerable eons, could not be completely defined. As in this world, at the sight of enlightenment by virtue of the Buddha's spiritual power, there were in each of the 10 directions as many enlightening beings as atoms in a billion oceans of worlds, who came and gathered. So you should know that in each world of all oceans of worlds, the same thing took place at all the enlightenment sites.